Ngayon, tanda muli na pagtanggap natin sa mga bagong kasal, sina Jeremiah at Lindsay. Pasalubungan natin ang masigabong palakpakan. Congratulations!
Make some noise as we now welcome Mr. and Mrs. Niel and Lindsay Fernandez!
Magaling talaga yan. Mamimiss kita. Dito naka-heart to. Bilang tomboy. Pwede tama nito. Baka maiyak din na naman ako.
To give me love like
Yes!
now you told me that you wanna leave me. Darling, I just can't let you. Baby, now that I found you, I can't let you go. I built my world.
Tipon po tayo ngayon sa isang espesyal na pagdiriwang na pag-iisang dibdib ni na Jerry Niel at ni Lindsay.
Hello, Neng. Big day, ha? Almost 10 years. 10 years of waiting for this. Buti na lang hindi ka na
On this day forward, I promise you to love you kung anong meron at kung sino ka man. Mamahalin kita sa hirap at ginhawa. Araw-araw kitang pipiliin, araw-araw kitang aalagaan, araw-araw kitang mamahalin.
You're the coffee that I need in the morning. You're my sunshine in the rain when it's pouring. Won't you give yourself to me? Give it all.
I just wanna see how beautiful you are. You know that I see it. I know you're a star. Where you go, I'll follow, no matter how far. If life is a movie, then you're the best part. Oh, you're the best part. Oh, best part.
Lindsay, sumasang-ayon ka ba na maging asawa ni Jerry Niel na narito ngayon alinsunod sa batas at mga lituntunin ng ating banal na simbahan?
Opo, Father.
Buong puso mo ba pagkakaloob sa kanyang iyong sarili bilang kanyang may bahay?
Opo, Father.
Buong puso mo ba siyang tinatanggap bilang asawa?
Opo, Father. Thank you for choosing. Alam mo naman at ramdam ko naman na ramdam mong mahal na mahal kita palagi.
love you.
Love you.
Lord, I'm sorry.
Mahalin mo asawa mo. Ang higit sa sarili mo. Love you.
Please, I love you. Namahal ka namin. Love you, Lord.
Wouldn't be who I'm now. When I look
Feeling ko dahil naman sa inyo, minahal ako ni Jerry Niel kasi ganun yung pagpapalaki niyo sa akin. Kasi kung ano yung pagmamahal na binibigay niyo sa akin, kaya ko ibigay kay Jerry Niel yun at hihigitan ko pa since siya na yung magiging asawa ko.
you are the child, I will always love you. I'll never forsake you. You are the child, I will always love you. I'll never forsake you.
However, what you have, the right person still going to think that the sun shines out of your ass. that's the kind of person that worth sticking for. I think I already know that person. Love you.
Hearts never broke. Would you let mine in?
Dito, sa harap ng altar ng Panginoon, sila ngayon ay magkakaloob ng kanilang pagmamahalan sa bawat isa, sa hirap at ginhawa, sa karamdaman at kalusugan hanggang sa wakas ng kanilang buhay.
I'll scale every stone.
Jeriniel, sumasang-ayon ka ba na maging asawa ni Lindsay na narito ngayon alinsunod sa batas at mga lituntunin nating banal na simbahan?
Opo, Padre.
Buong puso mo bang pagkakaloob sa kanyang iyong sarili bilang kanyang asawa?
Opo, Padre.
Buong puso mo ba siyang tinatanggap bilang may bahay?
Opo, Padre.
'Cause when they say home, the first place I think of is you. You're taking me high like the roof. There ain't no place in this world like you. I've seen skies blue and gold, mountains high,
Lens,
valleys low.
bugal ba sa iyong lobang pagparito pamakaisang dibdib si Jeriniel na iyong pakamamalit pagdilingkuran habang buhay?
Siguro, kailangan na nating magpakasal. Will you marry?
Opo, Father.
When they say home, the first place I think of is you. So I'm coming home. The first place I think of is you. So I'm coming
You may
home.
now kiss your
That's
wife.
all my heart knows to do.